If you've been looking at Cendre Home and wondering whether it's actually worth your money, here's what you need to know before making a decision. At first glance, Cendre Home has a modern, minimalist style that's definitely appealing. Their furniture and home decor have a clean, premium look without the luxury price tag, which is a big reason they've been getting so much attention. But here's the shocking truth. The experience can vary depending on what you order. Many customers are happy with the overall design and value, saying the products look just as good in person as they do online. On the other hand, some buyers have reported longer than expected shipping times or minor quality issues on certain items. The good news is that these complaints don't seem to be the norm, but they're worth keeping in mind if you're ordering something for a specific deadline. Reading recent customer reviews for the exact product you're buying can save you a lot of frustration. So is Cendre Home worth it? If you're after stylish, contemporary furniture and you're willing to be a little patient with delivery, it can be a solid choice. Just do your research, check the latest reviews, and set realistic expectations before you click that buy button.